Welcome to the second lesson of MS Word. So today we are going to get into more of what we are going to be working on with the basics of MS Word. So again, let's open MS Word. So we come to the flash screen, enlarge it, and let's get into blank document. Okay. So today we're going to start with the home tab. Okay. And you see that on the right side over here, so let me just have an annotation. Please see the right side where I've marked green. Here you have the scroll bar. You can use the scroll bar, use the mouse to click on it to go down, click on it to bring it back up again. Otherwise, you can use the keyboard with the down arrow to go down, or the scroll button in your mouse, the scroll button that you have in your mouse, you can use that as well to scroll down and to scroll up back again. And secondly, you can use the page up and page down button, which is there on your keyboard. Let's start typing. And let's say, welcome to MS Office class. Okay, so basically you start typing something like this. And normally when you type, it's going to be in something called sentence case, wherein the first alphabet is always capital in a sentence, followed by any pronouns which have been identified automatically. It's going to be in capital letter, and the rest are going to be in the small. But anytime you want to convert your alphabets into capital letter, completely capital letter, select the word or sentence which you want to convert. Come here in the home tab. Please come here in the home tab where you have a capital A and a small a being written. Click on it and click on uppercase. It will become capital letter. If you click on lowercase, it becomes small alphabet completely. If you click on sentence case, the first alphabet becomes capital and there are no pronouns here. But if there are pronouns, and then it gets automatically capitalized. Okay, so today we are just going to see only the first three bits: sentence case, lowercase, and uppercase. So this is how you convert. Next, once you have your text document typed, and let's say this is the heading. Okay, this is the heading. So at heading, you can click on bold. The bold makes your font become thicker. And then you can click on italics. So italics makes your font slanting. Okay, so let me zoom in a bit more. And now you can see. First select your sentence, click on bold one time, it will come. You click on it again, it will go. It's like a switch off and switch on button, like how you have it in your current. So click on I again, it switches off your italics. Click on it again and it turns the italics on. And then you have underline. Okay, so underline alone has little specialities. Let's click on the arrow below it. You have a lot of options. This is double underline. This is thicker. This is dotted underline. Different types of underline you're having. And you can also change the color of the underline over here. Okay, these are the different ways you can have your underline being done. So this is the basic navigation between MS Word. So wherein we saw scrolling up and scrolling down, page up and page down. We saw how you can change the case of the text that you've already typed, followed by bold, italic, and underline. Next lesson, we are going to see a little more exciting stuff under the home tab.